You know, a little bit less smoke through the depth of the atmosphere, but you can still smell it across many areas, and the smoke problem is going to get worse. Let's go ahead and go through this list one more time here as we are watching a few things in the upcoming several days as we head toward the close of our month. First of all, smoke is going to be with us. Fires in Canada going to reduce air quality, particularly over the next couple of days, and it's going to be pretty bad. Now, as we go through minimal rainfall this month, the chance for triple-digit heat and a good old-fashioned heat wave lasting several days looks to be more and more likely now as we close out the month. First, let's talk about smoke. This forecast shows where the smoke is originating from. Its source, it's up to the north of Baudette and Lake of the Woods. Now, as we go through the night, it increases through Lake of the Woods, and on Wednesday, it spills into the northern portions of Minnesota. And look at where it parks right here in the Red River Valley as we go Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and these are some horrible amounts. So there is definitely some concern for, that respiratory illness. Those with respiratory illness or the very young. Keep that in mind. If you have outdoor activities, you may want to minimize that. Now, minimal rain through the end of July. This is the American model showing most of the storm track misses us all the way through July 23rd. That's pretty dry. And when we continue to build dry on, add the sunshine, we're going to see the heat building out across the valley. Now, where you see the reds this weekend, we'll have 90s, but that'll continue to build into next week. Where you see the pinks, this model, the American model, shows a chance for some triple-digit heat building in, not just one day, but several days next week. And this could last for the better part of the close of the month. This is not good news for our area. In fact, it will likely worsen the drought for many counties and cause a lot of strain on area agriculture. We will be watching all of those things closely, but right now, a look at your current conditions at Hector. Temperatures a little cooler than yesterday with mid-80s out there and a north breeze gusting to 17 miles per hour, but those north winds will be pulling that smoke our way. 79 right now out there in Boston, 81 for Bemidji, Wahpeton, Breckenridge 82. That's the same thing we have now in Gwinner, a warm one in Jamestown rather, at 86 degrees. Showers and rumbles of thunder in the easternmost portions of Minnesota. Here's a look at that air quality alert all the way through Friday for all of our Minnesota counties, where the smoke will definitely be bad here in North Dakota. We don't have the same apparatus in place that issues warnings for air quality here in North Dakota. With that said, it's going to be pretty smoky and thick as we go through the night tonight. Quiet, just a few clouds out there, and that continues through the overnight. Temperatures to start your day tomorrow on Hump Day will be near 60 degrees. Notice clouds, showers, and storms have been suppressed to the south. This was our best chance of rain this entire week and since, well, several days ago. So we'll have a chance at hit and miss storms, but I'm afraid that's about it. If you're in Sisseton, if you're in Grant County, Wilkin, and Traverse County, you do have a chance at seeing some nighttime showers and storms. The risk is severe, pretty low in our area. 63 to start your day in Fargo. We'll have clouds building in because of that weather maker to the south in Fargo. Temperatures rising only to near 80. A nice and cool below average day. Then a look at your hometown forecast. 81 degrees Grand Forks. No rain and fewer clouds up in the far northern counties on your day, allowing you to get a little bit warmer. Your photos of the red suns, and you can actually see what we call that boundary layer where that smoke has really filled here in our atmosphere there as that sun sets behind that burning tree. Thanks so much for uploading your photos. They have been fantastic. Hazy, smoky all the way to the end of the week. Temperatures climbing, 90s for the weekend. And look at this. By the time Fargo gets to Tuesday, we'll be 95, but we'll be closer to 100 in Grand Forks, Hallock, Langdon. Those areas are looking mighty hot and sizzling. We'll have details on that heat wave as we get a little closer, but right now, not a good chance of rain tomorrow, Stacy, the way it looks.
All right, adding some super hot temperatures there. Thanks, Hutch.
Yes.
Ooh. Matt Buss.